Oh yeah, we got some snow. And welcome everyone. Here on this snowy day, quite picturesque, but a lot of cleanup is going to be needed, so I better get to it before it freezes. Yesterday it was about 42 degrees out. Today it's 18, the high of 21, so I better get cracking before all of the snow freezes up. Oh yes, Mr. Shovel. We are going to be spending some time together today. And it is quite dark in my vehicle. It is all covered with snow. Not for long though. Oh yeah, covered in the snow, my poor vehicle. At least the snow is not that heavy. It's pretty light. So, not too hard to get up with the shovel. And even with it not being too heavy, still a good idea to take breaks every now and then. So remember that future shoveling purposes. Even the giant cylinder of ice is covered in snow. Still frozen. Probably staying that way for quite some time. Just trudging my way to where the fire still seems to be smoldering. Check out my last video for that barrel fire footage. And it was all just a little bit of snow on the ground when I was last out here. Oh yeah, that burned down quite a bit. Looks like nothing but ash. And it is time for the next step. Or should I say several steps. All right, front porch, check. Driveway, check. And vehicle clean off is also a check. Yes, I am glad that these trees decided to not fall on my vehicle, unlike last year's storm. And the back deck and steps. Got the chairs over there in the sun, hopefully melting away whatever else. And that's a check. You may be wondering, why shovel off the back deck? Well, it's simple. And that is the answer. Because I decided to utilize the hot tub to thaw my frozen feet out, my frozen everything out. Oh yeah, haven't been in here in a while with the snow. Even though the snow up at the top of the trees appears to be melting a little, it still is only 21 degrees out. Sure does feel nice though. No bathtub gin in here. And now, just going to head out to a spot before I go bowling. used to be the Bradford Tavern. I think it's called the Big Dog now. It was a Big Dog years ago, but this is, I think it's called Big Dog's Eatery. D-A-W-G. So, I'm gonna go check that out real quick. There it is. That's a nice pint of Guinness. And that is my chicken parm. Looks delicious.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And now to Academy for some Peloton bowling. And that's my video for today. Gonna end it here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for dealing with the icy tundra with me. And hit that subscribe button if you could. If you know people on YouTube, maybe you could get a few people to subscribe. It'd be cool. But I'll leave you with peace, one love, cheers. Peace.